Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide. So today's video, we are going to be checking out the gaming play on the OnePlus 6. So as you can see, I've got the GameBench app right here. This will actually help us and show us the frame per second while we are playing the games. So I've downloaded a couple of games here. I don't know if I could go through all of these games in this video, but I will try my best and do them. But if I can't, I apologize guys, because it's going to take a very long time to finish it off. So let's start opening the GameBench app right there. So go check them out guys. You do have a 30 minutes free trial, or free to activate the frame per second. Every month it will restart the process of having 30 minutes per month. So go check them out guys. This is the GameBench app. All right, so here we go. So as you can see, we're at 30 frames per second. Oops, I think I went the wrong way here, guys. All right, so let's see how the smoothness or the performance is, especially in this scenario right here where there's a lot of enemies. So far right now guys, it's running pretty smooth. I didn't feel any lag or any jitterness or anything like that. That's slowing down the performance. It is running very smooth. And we are at 30 frames per second. All right, so let's move on to the next game. So here we go. So far it's running pretty smooth guys, pretty smooth. It's maintaining between 29 and 30 frames per second right now. I don't see any I don't see it going down or anything like that. It's running very smooth guys. Okay, so there's a lot of things happening on the screen, racing with the other players via internet, and there's just no sign of slowing down with this device. Just amazing device guys. All right, so let's move on to the next game. Press button. Sorry guys, I think I did something wrong here. So again, the game is just running butterly smooth guys. Look at that, it's stable. 60 frames per second. It's not even dipping down. We got lots of action happening. Am I supposed to move forward or? Okay. All right, so no problem with that game. Now let's move on to the next one. All right, so we are 40 and 45. We are at 45 frames per second. Alright, no lag whatsoever here again, guys. We are still maintaining between 44 to 45 frames per second.
Now hold up. Come on. Let's go. Thanks.
No issue whatsoever right there, guys. I'm just like running right through at this with all the enemies coming towards me. It's just not slowing down whatsoever, guys. So if you're looking for a gaming, an amazing experience when it comes to gaming, OnePlus 6 can just run through all this high intensity gaming, guys, with no effort whatsoever. Look at that. No lag, no jitter, no hiccup whatsoever.
Let's get out of here. We've got company. Keep on firing. Shit! Chopper!
The screen display on this device is amazing as well. As you can see, the notch is not really affecting the viewing angle. It doesn't even, you don't even see the notch. Alright, I'm just gonna finish this off. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm just gonna destroy this helicopter and then we'll just go from there, guys. We already know the idea. We already pretty much know that the OnePlus 6 is just an amazing device when it comes to gaming. It's just very powerful, guys. Look at that, no lag whatsoever. It's maintaining 45 frames per second. And for the price you're paying for this device, you can't go wrong with it, guys. So there you have it, guys. That is my gaming test on the OnePlus 6. No issue whatsoever. If you have any other questions or have any other requests that you want to see the OnePlus 6 do, or do a versus battle, just leave me a comment down below. And once again, guys, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.